How to log out of REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of the REDnote app quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the profile page, simply tap on the gear icon beside the profile button and you will be prompted to the settings section. From there, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Logout. Once you've done that, a confirmation will pop out. Simply from there, tap on Logout. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can log out from the REDnote app. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.